Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch token with a Tether US dollar, and 1 inch at the moment is sitting at a price of around $2.53. Today we are up 5 cents or approximately 2% to the upside, and this is how it looks like. Let's just go to the daily time frame and tell you all about that. So I made a prediction back in, I guess it was on 30th of June, and I said when it hit this level that we're going to be pushing something like that, and so far we're moving in that direction, but this is on the higher time frame. So if we scale up to the actually let's just put this indicator right here, the lower low higher high strategy, and we can see that if you want to keep pushing to the upside, we just need to surpass this lower high right here that we made, and everything will be good. Okay, also the second thing that we want to surpass will be this lower high, and then reach this order block that we have right there. And this is all I think that all this will be happening when the summer ends. Okay, so everything will be happening alongside the summer, but we will see what will be happening with that. I may be wrong, I may not, and we also can push to the downside, surpass these our lower lows, and just continue to the downside. But I think that the farthest way that we can go to the downside will be somewhere around $1.5, because 1 inch, it's a great like token. It's a actual exchange where you can exchange your Ethereum and all that, so it is Ethereum based, and so on and so on. So today we're just talking about the technical analysis, not on the fundamental side of things. When what they do, you just like one Google search away and you will find all about the 1 inch token. But for those of you who are planning to buy 1 inch token, I would definitely suggest you to try it out, because 1 inch is a great long-term hold. And on lower time frames, we are in an uptrend. We made a higher low, higher low. We have made some lower lows right here, but this can be a fake outs, call for false breaks. But yeah, we started pushing to the upside, and it is much I'm pretty happy about that. So this is basically it. Let me know what are your thoughts, and peace out, and have a great day for the rest of your day.